Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tutorials channel. Today I am back again with another video on how to create a Shein account. Shein is a global fashion and lifestyle e-retailer committed to making the beauty of fashion accessible to all. If you want to create an account on Shein and shop your favorite fashion items, then keep watching this video till the end. First of all, you need to have a Shein app on your phone. If you want to know how to download the app, do check out our another video. We do have a video on the process of downloading the app as well. So let's begin with the process. To create an Shein account, first of all go to Shein app. Then a home page appears like this. Click on the Me button on the bottom right corner. Then a new page appears where you can see Sign in or register option in the top left right here. Tap and open the Sign in or register option and you'll end up in this sign in page. Now here, if you already have an account, then simply put an email address, put your password and click on sign in. But if you want to create new account, then click on register on the top right, then add your email address and set a password. Make sure to set a strong password with minimum 8 characters and at least one number and one letter as mentioned here. Here, if you want to double check your password, then tap on the I button on right. Then agree to the terms and conditions by tapping on the description. Then click on register. Another alternative is to sign in using other social media handles. If you want to sign in using social media handles, then you can simply choose any option given on the bottom right here. Click on register. Wait until your Shein account is registered. Here, registration is successful. Click on confirm and then your Shein account is created. I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more such content, keep watching How to Tutorials.